Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Catherine Loyola, and this week we stay focused on September being Life Insurance Awareness Month, with a special focus on the differences between term and permanent insurance. First, with term, this is when we are purchasing life insurance for a specific time frame, often 10, 20, or 30 years. Whereas with permanent insurance, we are purchasing life insurance for our lifetime. So what makes the most sense? Well, it really comes down to you. What's important to you, your financial position, your needs, as well as the needs of those that you're planning for. So here are a few things to consider. First, with term, this is where we are often trying to cover something very specific. College education needs, paying off a mortgage, making sure that retirement can still happen for a spouse or partner. It's also often used to be able to provide for a child until they get into their early adult years. Now, term insurance is helpful, especially because it's affordable. So if you're interested in purchasing permanent insurance, you can still consider a term if you can't afford permanent, and also look in to see if your term policy can convert to a permanent policy in the future. Now, it's key that you connect with your life insurance carrier prior to actually getting the term insurance to make sure that that's a possibility, as well as with your financial team. Permanent insurance, there's a lot of ways that you can use this. From an estate planning perspective, it's used for tax planning strategies and to create liquidity. So things like businesses or real estate or investment assets don't necessarily have to be sold. It's also used for gifting, whether it be to a charitable organization or whether it be able to be a legacy gift to loved ones. It's also something that's very important when we're planning for any child with special needs to ensure that all of their needs are met over the course of their lifetime. It can even be used for an insured during their lifetime when they're seeking access to cash value. Now, there's a lot of complexities with this, and this certainly does not make sense for a lot of people. So it's important when you're working with permanent insurance that yes, you consult with your financial team, but also with a tax advisor. Lastly, term insurance and permanent insurance can be used together. So really consider first and foremost, what are the needs that you are seeking to cover? How much do you have to be able to provide for those needs? And consult with your financial team to put the right strategy in place for you, but also the people that you're planning for. Share with us your questions. We are here to answer them. We look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great weekend.